Once there lived a boy named Ali. He was intelligent and talented, but he had one bad habit. He always made excuses. If he failed a test, he said, "The paper was too hard." If he was late, he said, "The traffic was terrible." If he did not complete his work, he said, "I had no time." Ali believed his excuses so strongly that he never tried to improve himself. One day, his teacher called him and said gently, "Ali, talent can take you far, but excuses will stop you at the first step." Ali did not understand these words at that time. Years passed. His friends worked hard, learned from their mistakes, and became successful. Ali remained at the same place, blaming situations, people, and luck. One day, standing alone, Ali realized a painful truth. His biggest enemy was not failure, it was his excuses. From that day, he decided to stop making excuses and start taking responsibility. Slowly, his life changed. Moral: excuses destroy growth, while responsibility builds success.